Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix text messages disappeared issue on Android. If you're using an Android phone and your text messages are disappeared, so let's see how can you fix it. First, you have to keep a long press on messaging app written in app info, and here you will get a setting of full stop. If you have enabled it, so you have to quickly disable it because it will stop your message app. And after doing this all, you just have to go to permissions, and here you have to make sure that your all permissions are enabled and you have enabled the SMS settings. And after doing this, just go back, go to settings, and here you just have to search for or go for apps. In apps, look for default apps. In default apps, you just have to select SMS app, just open it, and here you have to make sure that you have selected Messages app. And after selecting this one, you just have to make a quick restart of your phone. So press and hold the power button and then select the restart option, and after doing this, your problem will be fixed and your message will appear in your Android phone. So that's how you can fix text messages disappeared issues on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.